Okay, here's the waterfall section of our property. The same creek comes down here, but it drops. I'll just pan over first for a second. We're gonna hopefully get all this cleared out. It has to be done by hand because there's no way to get a tractor in here. And then this is the waterfall. I don't know if you can see, but there's different little levels that have been, created here. And this drop easily 25 feet. Another aspen grove, so hopefully we'll clear this out so you pretty much just have the aspens, and then again all the rocks. We can clear out this brush, you'll be able to see the rocks and the waterfall. And then right here we're going to put a little shelter, just a small 12 by 12, 14 by 14 that will have glass looking out for people to camp in, a little deck. That's the plan.